Hello, dear Aquarius. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well in your life. So, this is a love reading, general love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising till the end of March. Okay, so this is a reading for March 2021. So, your partner's energy right now is, I think, we are talking about March, so we will take it as a present moment. Okay, so your partner's energy is Knight of Pentacles. They are feeling very slow to move. They are thinking a lot, contemplating a lot, but they are ready to offer you something stable and very valuable. Okay, so they want to offer you something. This is a very stable relationship status. They want to offer you something very stable and solid. Maybe a commitment, a committed relationship, but they are thinking about this right now. I don't feel they are giving it to you right now, but they are thinking about it a lot, and they are taking baby steps towards this relationship, towards you. Maybe this is their energy in March. How they see you? They see you as Nine of Pentacles. They see you as a very financially independent person, a person who is truly beautiful from inside, outside, inside as well, and outside as well. And they see you as a stable person who works on their own business, works for themselves, who is financially independent as well, and emotionally and physically independent as well, mentally independent as well. So they see you as someone who is very beautiful, independent, and stable. Okay, what they feel about this relationship or about you right now. So they are holding back. This is the Four of Pentacles. They are controlling their emotions. They are holding back from their emotions. They are not letting you know what they are truly feeling about you. So I think there is some kind of energy in them that is making them holding their that is making them to hold their emotions back and not tell you and not reveal you what they truly want from this relationship. I feel there is some kind of energy that of betrayal maybe, or of conflict maybe. They felt like this is not the right time to convey anything to you or conversate with you or do anything with you, because this is their energy. This is the Knight of Pentacles energy. They are ready to offer you something stable and solid, but they are analyzing this relationship a lot. They are seeing you, they are watching your steps, and they are contemplating it a lot, over analyzing, maybe overthinking, you can say. So right now they are controlling their emotions. They are holding back. They are not ready to reveal their true feelings to you. Okay, what they want from this relationship is a Knight of Swords. They want, this is the rushing energy. This is a very rushing energy. They feel like they should just come forward and tell you that they love you, or they want this relationship to move forward, or whatever they want to reveal you, they want to reveal it to you, but they are not doing it. They are holding back. They are controlling their emotions, although they want to rush into your life and tell you and communicate with you. They are very passionate about your relationship with them. They are very passionate about you maybe, or this relationship in particular. So basically it is the kind of energy. They want to rush into this relationship. They want it, but they are not doing it. Okay, this is what they want, and this is what they feel, or what they are doing right now. They are holding back. They are not telling you anything. They are not they are just having this poker face, and they are maybe saying you they don't love you, they don't need you, but deep inside they are in love with you, and they know it. And that is why, and there might be something that happened in the past that made this person behave like this. The outcome from their side is the Emperor. They are acting very cold. They are having this poker face. They are acting like they are not interested. They're acting like this, there's nothing left in this relationship, or they're not interested in you. They are acting very adamant, and they are acting very cold and off towards you maybe. And they are going to act like this only, I feel like, till the end of March. In March, on the contrary, on the opposite side, the Emperor means a stable and solid relationship. They have made a decision about this relationship, or about you in particular, and they are sticking to that, and they are feeling like, okay, no matter what happens, I am going to do what I want in my life. So they are coming towards you, but they want to rush into things. They want to, do everything very fastly, but they are controlling back. They are holding back. This is a good energy, Aquarius. This is a good energy. You might be feeling that this is a bad thing, but no, this is a good thing. They are taking step by step. They are taking it slow, step by step, and this is really a good thing, because not all people do this. Okay, not all people have the maturity to to do this thing. Okay, your energy in Aquarius, your energy is the Six of Swords. I feel you have come to a point in your life where you want peace in your life. So you are moving towards calmer water in your life. You are moving towards a peaceful phase in your life, leaving the past behind. You are ready to start afresh, and you are just moving towards beautiful phase in your life. So this is your energy. In March, you are going to move towards a beautiful phase in your life, towards a peaceful phase in your life, regarding this relationship thing with this particular person, whosoever is on your mind right now. And how you see your partner, you see your partner as a star. You feel like this partner of yours, or this person of yours, is very very positive, very very beautiful. They have the energy of God or the universe. They can make anything beautiful. And you are very very hopeful. You feel like your person is very hopeful, very positive person. And you also feel like you are hopeful about this relationship, you are hopeful about this person, that they will eventually come to you. And they want to, Aquarius, trust me, they want to. And what you feel about this relationship, this is the Eight of Pentacles energy. You feel like working on this relationship. You feel like putting an effort or putting some work in this relationship. Maybe you guys were not ready in the past, but now you guys are feeling that you should put some work in this relationship. Especially you, Aquarius, you are feeling like you should work on this relationship. You should talk to them. You should, eliminate what was toxic and eliminate what was not working out for you guys. And you're ready to work on this relationship. This is your feeling for this relationship, or for this person in particular. What you want from this relationship is the Seven of Wands energy. So they want to rush in, and you are standing your ground. You are also acting weird. Aquarius, what I feel is you're also feeling like, no matter what happened, I am not going to leave my ground. I'm standing on my ground. Whatever I said to them is correct. Whatever I did in the past is correct. I didn't do anything wrong with them. This is your feeling, Aquarius, and you feel like, no matter how my person feels, no matter how my person reacts to the situation, I'm not going to change my attitude. I am going to be like this only. If they feel I'm adamant and ridiculous, I'm going to be like this only. This is what you want. You want to stand your own ground in this relationship, Aquarius. You want to make them feel. You want to make them feel like, okay, fine. I also have a life. I also have my own point of views, and I'm going to stand on them no matter what you feel. You don't give a shit. This is what's happening. Okay. And the outcome from your side is a Temperance card. I feel like you are going to, hold back your temperament, hold back your ego issues, and you are going to work on your emotions. You are going to balance your emotions, and then you are going to talk to this person, and this will lead to something very, very beautiful. I feel like there will be a reconciliation, because the outcome is like that. So the Emperor is there and the Temperance is there, both the parties. The Emperor is like adamant and sometime rude, but very, very loyal and honest. Okay, and the Temperance card is kind of emotional balancing thing. So you are going to balance your emotions, and you are going to talk to them after balancing out all the pros and cons of this relationship with this particular person. Okay, the outcome from both the parties, or you can say the cumulative outcome of this relationship, is the Judgment, the Three of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. So the judgment is telling me there will be a reconciliation, there will be another chance. You guys are ready to give each other another chance, or maybe one particular party is ready to give another person a chance. And I feel that is your person who is coming towards you very slowly but surely. They want to offer you something very very stable. This is the Three of Swords. What is holding them back is the Three of Swords energy. They are healing from this past issues. You both are healing from this past issues. You both are grieving right now. You both are in this state of shock or loss, or feeling like heartbroken right now. But the good thing is, you guys will be able to balance out thing in between you, and there will be equal give and take from both the parties. That is a very very beautiful energy. This is the Six of Pentacles. So basically you both will enjoy a balanced relationship by the end of March. Okay, I don't feel this is kind of lovey-dovey energy is coming. No, no. There will be a reconciliation. There will be lots of communication, I think. but I don't feel like there will be kind of commitment or marriage or stability like that, in that way, in a relationship zone, in committed zone, or in a marriage thing zone. So I don't feel by the end of March this will come. I think there will be talks about that, they will be planning about that, but this will not come to fruition, I think, by the end of March, to be very honest. Okay, the guidance from the universe is the Three of Pentacles, equal efforts. Sorry. So this is the Three of Pentacles, this is the guidance from the universe. So there is a requirement of equal efforts from both the parties. I think teamwork is required from both the parties if you guys want this relationship to work out. Aquarius, you have to leave your ego behind. I think there is some big issues of ego here. Ego balancing is what is required from your side, and they are holding back, they are controlling their emotions, so they have to release the control, they have to release this pain. I think open and honest conversation will lead to something very, very beautiful. Okay, yeah, okay. And the bottom of the deck is the Fool. Yeah, the Fool. So the Fool is also indicating a new beginning, a new beautiful beginning. You don't know, you both don't know where will this go, but you guys are like ready to take the leap of faith with each other, ready to take the risk with each other, and that is a very, very beautiful energy. You both don't know the outcome of this yet in March, I feel, but you guys are ready to take this relationship to the next level. Or maybe after lots of struggles, lots of conflicts, you guys are supporting each other and becoming friends. Okay, becoming friends with each other, and then supporting each other, and then again talking about balancing out the things in this relationship or with this particular person. Okay, so let's let's quickly pull three cards from the Love Oracle deck, what they want to say to you. First, clock. Need time, takes time in time cycles, time to heal, progress. I told you, you guys are going through a healing process, transformation process, and this is your first message from the Island Time Wellness or Love Oracle deck, you can say. Okay, and the second message from this is outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. I think you guys are thinking, overthinking. I told you, your partner especially is overthinking, they're holding back, they're overanalyzing everything. This is what is happening. And the final and the last card is date, meeting someone new, dating, get back out there, plan Saturday. I feel I don't feel this is going to be someone new, but this is the message. I think you guys are going to talk a lot. I told you the friendship will be back, the communication will be back. There will be open and honest communication. So this is kind of date, you can say also, right? Yeah. So this is all about your love life in March, by the end of March 2021. So thank you so much for listening. I hope it will help you a lot, Aquarius, to make some decision, to help analyze your person's intention towards you. Yeah. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and and share to your friends as well. This will help me a lot. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.